thinking about your love.
Yeah,
Everybody get captured. Place it up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
Welcome to this channel, guys. Today we are working with Authentic Ocean Wave. I am super stoked just talking about this hair, just thinking about this hair. Y'all wait till you get to the end of the video to see how beautiful this hair is. I am going to be splitting it in two to install. So I have 19 braids going to the middle of my head and then joined together to make one braid going back. So I have fewer braids in the back than I have in the front. Okay, this video, I am out of breath just talking about it. This video was so highly requested. I put this hair on for my birthday and everybody kept talking about it and asking for a video, and I kept saying it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, and here it is. I brushed this side. I haven't brushed this. This is definitely very pretty, but I almost feel like this gives you more of a, almost like one of those Brazilian hairs, you know, like I like the wavy texture. I think I like it brushed. So you guys are gonna have to buy this brush. It's so great. Even though it's for wet hair, I use it for everything and it just glides through here, especially my natural hair. I will link it in the description box and you guys can give it a shot. It is called Wet Pro and it was suggested by, I will write the name up, I've just blanked out, but he suggested it. I bought it. I totally stand by it. It glides through wet hair real easy. It detangles real easy. It doesn't hurt. So just check it out. What I just did, I took the full length and I cut this much off it. So now it's like this, and I feel like if I should put this, it will let it fall a little better. So now what I'm gonna do is feather the ends so it's not so sharp. I'm just going to take this and I'm gonna take this end and just keep pulling and rolling, roll like that, pull, roll, and that helps to feather it. So I'm not being perfect with it, pulling some more than others. Use my brush to feather it out even more. That I cut, that kind of gave like a shorter length, shorter look, and this is what I just cut. So I'm going for a layered look. Usually I would put the hair in and then I'll trim it, I'll cut it the way that I want, but I want to try this new thing that I'm thinking, to see if cutting it will make the trimming a little less or if it will make the hair fall better. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to start doing my front. This is the length. I'm going to angle it so one part is shorter, longer. That helps with the bulkiness of the hair. I usually will do multiple knots, but for the front, I like to do just about 2, at most 3 knots, because I don't want it to look. So that's 1, 2, twist, pull through, and pull down. I like to do just about 3 knots because I like the front to look a little bit more realistic. So I don't like the knot coming out too long. On the other sides, I make the knots a little longer, or I do multiple knots, maybe about 6 or 4. I like my latch hook needle open, but you can close it. Latch hook needle through the braid, open, hair onto the hook of the needle, close the latch, pull hair through, open, finger into the hair, take the latch hook out, pull this strand through the hole. That's one knot right there. Pull the hair through the hole again. That's your second knot. Twist the hair, pull the hair through, and just pull. Secure it. See? If you don't know how to do crochet, that's how you do crochet. And this is the one that I cut in half, and I pre-stretched it, and I got 11 inches out of the 10 inches. Leave the hair to bounce. 11 inches. Makes sense? So I'm putting the half in the front, and then the one that I only took 9 inches off it is longer. I'm putting it down here and to the back to give me more layered look. Yeah, so this is 3 packs right here, and I just started this piece here of my 4th pack. All right, I put mousse on this hair, and honestly, I feel like it's just sitting. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like the white residue is just sitting on the hair. I am done with the hair, so this is how it looks. The shorter ones up here, it gives it a look, doesn't it? So I won't have to do too much cutting, I don't think, or shaping, but this hair is long. So what I'm going to do is comb it out. going to clean it up just a little bit, not too much. I love crochets, and so my channel is going to be more crochets, a few wigs here and there, melting the front of the lace fronts and stuff like that. I'm learning that. As soon as I perfect it, I will show y'all any tricks that I come up with. All right, guys? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. You have to, because why would you subscribe to me and not see any of my videos again? So you have to hit the bell so that every time that I put out a video, you will be notified and you will know about it. You will be the first to know, right? So talk to y'all later. I appreciate you so much. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.